Hello guys, it's Dale here with the first weekly trading ideas video for this year 2021. If you would like to receive those videos, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel by clicking the button at the bottom of this video. And before I get started, let me announce the winner of the contest for the flexible volume profile indicator, which I did in the previous weekly trading ideas video. Right now on your screen you should see the name of the winner who won the indicator. So congratulations for winning the profile. What I will do is I will do another contest for the next week, for the next weekly trading ideas video. The prize will also be the volume profile indicator for MetaTrader 4. And the only thing you need to do to participate in this contest is to leave a comment below this video, which will be uploaded on YouTube. And the next week I'll randomly pick one person to win the indicator. Alright, so that's for the little contest. Let's now go into the trading ideas. What you see before you is my intraday trading workspace, 3 charts which are linked. They always show the same trading instrument. In this case it is the Australian dollar Swiss franc. This chart at the top, it is a 60-minute chart where I have weekly volume profiles. Every week a volume profile gets automatically printed there. Then this chart is a 30-minute chart where I use flexible volume profile. That's a profile which you can move around like this. And the last chart, this one, this is a 15-minute chart where I have 4-hour volume profiles. Those are automatically printed every 4 hours. So the trading idea which I wanted to show you is based on a volume accumulation setup. It's based on heavy volumes which got accumulated in here in this rotation. And as you can see from this rotation, strong buying activity started this uptrend. You can also see it very nicely in here on a 60-minute chart. This is the heavy volume area with the heavy volumes right there. And this is the strong buying activity. So because of the volumes in here and because of the strong buying activity, I think that those volumes were buyers who were building up their long positions in here, and afterwards those buyers started to push the price aggressively upwards. So when there's a pullback to this level, which is at 0.6738, this is where the volumes were the heaviest, I think that the buyers will want to push the price upwards again. They'll become aggressive and they'll push the price upwards from there. Alright, so this is why I think this is a strong day trading resistance. If you look at the weekly volume profile, then you can see that this is actually the weekly point of control. And this is usually a pretty strong level to trade from, the weekly point of control, when you have volumes created and from that place strong buying or selling activity. Then usually this just by itself is a pretty strong level to trade from. Alright, the weekly point of control. So this is the logic behind this level. Now let's move on into the next trading idea, which will be on the Euro New Zealand dollar. So now those charts show the Euro New Zealand dollar, and in here there's also a weekly point of control from which I would like to trade. So let's focus on this weekly volume profile in here. And the place where the volume profile is the thickest is right there. This is weekly point of control. And from this weekly point of control, you can see that there is a strong selling activity. So what that indicates is that in this point of control, sellers were building up their short positions, and afterwards they were pushing the price downwards. So when there's a pullback to this level again, which is at 1.7130, those sellers should push the price downwards like this again from this place where the heaviest volumes were traded. Alright, you can also see nicely on a flexible profile right there. This is the area with the heaviest volumes traded in here at 7130. Alright, so that's where I expect the selling reaction will take place, because those sellers from this area will want to defend their selling positions and they'll want to push the price downwards from there again. Very similar scenario, like for example in here, this volume accumulation zone with this reaction. It wasn't that strong reaction, but still it was almost 30 pips. All right, so let's move forward and let's have a look at the next trading idea, which will be on the New Zealand dollar Japanese yen. So this is the New Zealand dollar Japanese yen, and what I have in here are two strong support zones. Let me show you the logic behind both of them. What I did in here in the top chart is I merged two weekly volume profiles together. Let me show you how I did it. All right, those are two weekly volume profiles, but I merged them together like this. So I had a better overview of this whole area. And why I'm interested in this is that there was a rotation from which strong buying activity started. And I'm interested in volumes in this rotation as well as in volumes in that strong buying activity, in this strong uptrend. So as you can see, there are two significant volume zones in here. First, this volume zone, this volume cluster created in the middle of this uptrend, and also this huge volume zone. This is the weekly point of control. Well, actually it's a 2 weeks point of control, because I merged those 2 weeks, right? So there are those two significant volume zones, and let's first have a look at this one. All right, this is where the strong buying activity started, with those volumes. So it seems that buyers were building up their long positions in here, and afterwards they initiated this strong buying activity. So when there's a pullback to this level, I think that strong buyers who created those longs in here will want to defend those levels and will want to defend this zone and to push the price upwards from there. So this is why I think this should work as a strong day trading support. The heaviest volumes were traded at 72.98. This is where it's most likely that the price will react. All right, now let's have a look at the second level, this one. What happened here is that strong buyers were pushing the price upwards, then the price stopped in here in this rotation and created this strong volume cluster, those heavy volumes. And I think that buyers were adding to the long positions in here. And afterwards they continued with the buying activity. So when there's a pullback, I think that those buyers will want to defend this area and to push the price upwards from there again. Now the heaviest volumes in this area were traded exactly at 73.66, and this is where the reaction, the buying reaction, is most likely to happen. Alright, so that's about the two strong supports on the New Zealand dollar Japanese yen. Now if you guys would like to learn more about trading with a volume profile, you go and visit my website, which is trader-dale.com, and in here you go to trading course and tools. And in this place, you can enroll in one of my trading courses. What I recommend is getting the Elite Pack. And this Elite Pack includes volume profile video course, which is 15-hour-long video training on trading with volume profile. It also includes my personal trading levels, which are day trading levels and monthly swing trading levels. It also includes volume profile indicators, which I developed for NinjaTrader 8 and MetaTrader 4, and as a bonus it includes free VWAP indicator which I developed for NinjaTrader 8, as well as my book Volume Profile, the Insider's Trading, and also my other book which I just finished, which is called Order Flow Trading Setups. So you'll get all that in the recommended training pack, the Elite Pack, and there's also one more bonus. It is a free tech support for Elite Pack members, and what that means is that our tech support will set up NinjaTrader 8 platform for you. They'll set you up with indicators, install my personal workspaces, set you up with data feed, and they'll do all that for free using TeamViewer on your computer. So you'll have all set up in no time, and you can start focusing on learning to trade rather than reading manuals and setting it all up by yourself. All right. So you'll get all this with the Elite Pack. Now we had a Christmas sale. It was a 50% discount on this Elite Pack. Now my web guy still hasn't changed the price for this Elite Pack, but he should do that in a couple of hours today. So if you manage to get it with this still discounted Christmas sale price, you can still get it, but you should hurry up because the price will change back to where it was in a couple of hours from now. Alright, so that's about it. That's about this video, guys. I hope you liked it. I hope you found it useful. Don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel if you haven't done so yet, and I'll be looking forward to seeing you next time in some next video, and until then, happy trading.